I've just seen my 200th species of 2019 and completed the birdwatching My200BirdYear challenge. So that's 200 birds in the whole of the UK throughout the year. But the great thing about My200BirdYear is that you can set your own rules and parameters.
Signing up for the My200BirdYear challenge is simple and easy. Head over to our website, click the sign up button and follow the instructions. Don't forget to join our Facebook group.
You'll get great advice, offers, events such as Readers' Days and the chance to be part of a wider birdwatching community. Just go to www.birdwatching.co.uk and sign up free today.